Temu did it again, and they sent me some tech accessories that you can get today for less than 10 bucks. That's right, my friends. So let's open it up and see what is inside of here. As you can see, there are a bunch of boxes inside of here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I really wish that Temu will send their packages in a box instead of a bag, but anyway. Now, let's begin checking everything out. Now, this is a Bluetooth keyboard, a tiny Bluetooth keyboard. Let's open it up and see it. Here it is, my friend. It's really, really, really small. In the back you have the instructions manual, but it's also in English, so that isn't too bad. And as you can see, you can use it both with the cable or as a Bluetooth keyboard. With the keyboard itself, nothing more inside of the box is one USB Type-B cable to Type-C and the keyboard itself. Now, to compare it a little bit, you can see it right here with the cable. It's tiny, my friends. Now, it doesn't feel too bad, really. Of course, this is not a mechanical keyboard, and I will not recommend it for gaming, but something like this to throw in your bag or anywhere when you want to travel and you need an extra keyboard, or in a case of an emergency, you need one keyboard, something like this for less than 10 bucks is a great purchase. Now, where is my telephone? I want to see if I can connect it to an Apple device. Set it on, Bluetooth keyboard. And it's connected. So let's try to write an email. It doesn't have almost any latency right now connecting to my cell phone. And to take you out of a small problem that you're going to have, for less than 10 bucks as a replacement keyboard, not, but maybe if you want to use it with your TV, or in case that your keyboard dies and you need to do something in your computer, it's a really helpful thing to have around. Now, let's go on and see what else Temu has sent me. The next one, this is a USB Type 1 multiport adapter, and I don't remember what they are, but let's check it out. Now you can see this is a USB Type-C in one side, and in the other side you have your USB Type-B port, HDMI, and USB Type-C. So with this, if you have a device like, for example, the Steam Deck, you're going to be able to connect one cable and you are going to have access to 2 more USB ports and an HDMI output. That is something pretty useful to do, especially if you want to record your gameplay or anything like that in a device like the Steam Deck, Nintendo Switch, and all of these handhelds. All the prices and everything I'm going to let you guys here on the video so you can check them out by yourself. And if you need anything to purchase, you can use the code that I'm going to let you here and in the description of the video itself. Let's go on. This is another type of USB Type-C adapter, but this time what you have is an SD card reader, a micro SD card reader, and a USB Type-B. Again, guys, this is something really useful to have, especially if you use a lot of cameras, to quickly load things into your PC. And what is more to say, this is a card reader, but with the addition of a USB Type-B port on the side. What else do we have here? This I wanted to check out, and this is a multifunctional cleaning brush. Why multifunctional, you ask? Well, let's take it out and see it. Whee! As you can see, for example, right here you have some kind of leather. Whoa, it's not going to go nowhere. And underneath you have the brush itself. It's going to be something really good if, for example, you want to clean your keyboard. And inside of here, by removing this cap, you have a key remover tool for your keyboard itself, one small bottle that you can put water or isopropyl alcohol inside of it to clean your devices, and this right here, I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is some small brushes and things to go into the corners and places where you cannot normally access with the big brush. Now, a small thing, but pretty useful, especially if you have a lot of electronic devices that you want to clean up. For example, your AirPods, your PC, laptop, and even screens. And it's really small and portable. Why not? Now, this is not something so techy, but this is a smart charging device for your car. You have to connect it into your cigarette lighter, and then you're going to have two different connections right here. One of them is USB Type-C, and the other one is 3.1 amps of USB Type-B. Now, all of the things that you're seeing right here, they are useful, or most of them. And again, guys, for less than 10 bucks, it's not a bad deal. This is a 7-port USB 3.0 splitter. Mostly, I would recommend you guys this for charging, not for connecting into your PC. And as you can see right here, you have different buttons that you can turn on and off if you don't want to have them all on at the same time for any reason that you want. And the connection to the wall or your PC or your system, anything that you want to use it, is going to be with this Type-B USB cable. Again, if you have a lot of USB devices that you want to charge at the same time, now you can charge 7 of them at the same time. We have 2 more to go. And this one, I don't know if it's useful, but I really find it cute. And I wanted this for my son or my daughter. So let's check it out. Come on, come on. This is a toast nightlight. I know this is not too techy, but I think it's a cute thing to have. I hope the camera can take it out completely. I like the retro or old school look that this have. And the connection is with a USB Type-C to Type-B cable right here. Cute little thing. The last one. I really wanted to try this out. This is a smart wireless desktop speaker. This is something like a soundbar, but a tiny one. And you have another model of this one that is wireless, but that one is a little bit over the 10 bucks. So I wanted to stay into that budget. That's why I choose the wired version right here. More trash. As you can see right here on the back, you have 2 different cables. One of them is the USB Type-B, I imagine this is for power, and the 3.5mm jack. Now I'm going to connect it in a moment into the PC to let you guys hear it and to tell you the true and honest opinion about this product. For the moment, all of them, they look really good. Let's test out the speaker and check how the sound is. Now just set it up into my PC right here, really fast, only to do a test, and let's see how this sounds like. Now, of course, the sound is not going to be the same for you guys there as it is live. It's actually not bad. It's not super powerful. It's not super bass intensive. But again, for under 10 bucks, why the heck not? What do you guys think about this product that I find in Temu for under 10 bucks? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And guys, if you enjoy it, don't forget to drop a like into the video, to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Again, I'm going to leave you the links to everything that you see on this video on the description down below, as well as my personal code to download the app. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.